Oh my goodness, the weirdest thing happened to me. You guys are never gonna believe this. I woke up this morning and I had this hand, which was normal, but then I grew an extra layer of skin on this hand. Look at that. Ha, just kidding, it's a glove. So this wasn't an extra layer of skin, but I did find something really cool I can do with the glove. Do you wanna see? Are you sure you wanna see? Okay. Look at that. Now the really fun part is when I blow it up. You want to watch? Now I can pop it. Want to see that? Woo, that's fun. Oh, I could do that forever. Well, since you're here, you want to do some phonics? All right, let's get started. I have these two words on the board. Can you read these words for me? We have the word replay and playing. What do you notice about these two words? Yeah, they both have the word play in them. Replay, playing. Replay, playing. Play, play. P-L-A-Y, P-L-A-Y. So what's really cool is that these words both have the same base word. The word that gives the word its meaning. So playing is about the word play, and replay is the main part of that word is the word play. So these two words have the base word play, and they also have prefixes and suffixes, which is not the main point of today, but it's something to tuck away in your mind if you want to remind that for later. Remember that for later. Excuse me. So when we start with these words replay and playing, what we're going to do is we're going to break these words down into parts called syllables. Syllable is a fancy word for part of a word. So here's what I mean by that. Let's take the word replay and break it into its syllables. So if I say and clap the word play, I want you to try that. Let's say and clap the word play. I'll go, then you go. Play. Play. Now you try. Great job. So what's special is when we clap the word replay, it sounds different. Let me show you what I mean. Replay. Now you try. Now let's do it together. Replay. So it was special that time because when we clapped the word play, play, P-L-A-Y, it had one part or one syllable because it was one clap. Play, play, play. So this has one syllable or one part, the base word play. But when we clap this word, replay, and we break it into these two parts, replay, how many syllables does it have now? Or how many parts does it have now? Let's clap it out. Replay. 2. So play has one syllable and re is the next syllable. Replay. 2 syllables, 2 parts of that word. So this, like I said, is called the base word, the word that gives it its meaning, or the part of the word that gives it its meaning. And this little guy is called a prefix. So that would be the first part of the word. Not every word has a prefix. Only some words have prefixes, but this is an example of a prefix. The first syllable of the word replay is a prefix. Now, let's try this again with the word playing. If we clapped out play, play, 1 syllable. Now clap out the word playing. You try it on your own first. playing. How many syllables is that? 2. So let's write down those different syllables we heard. Playing. There's 2 syllables or 2 parts. Play is the first one. Playing. Ing is the second one. So the word playing has 2 syllables. Playing. And again, the base word would be play, because that gives us the meaning of it, most of the meaning. And then what you'll notice this time is the next syllable is not at the beginning like re, but it's at the ending of the word. So it's not at the beginning like a prefix, it's at the ending. And when the next syllable is at the ending, when the last part of the word is at the end, it's called the suffix. So sometimes you have a prefix, sometimes you have a suffix. So playing has 2 syllables. So we can use syllables to break a word apart, and you can look at the syllables in a word to be able to read it. So another way of talking about it is kind of like chunking it up. If you can't read the word replay when you find it in a story, you can chunk it out, replay, put it into parts so it's easier for you to read. Same with playing. You might not know the word playing, but if you look at the first syllable or the first part, play, and the last part, ing, you can put them back together, playing, playing, put them back together to figure out that is the word playing. Let's try some more examples together, a few more examples. All right, let's try this word. Oh, my little easel's stuck on the carpet. Can you still see it? Perfect. Let's try this word. Do you know what that word is? S-U-N-N-Y. Read that word with me. Sunny. Sunny. All right, can you clap out the word sunny? Sunny. 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 Interesting. Sunny. Let's split it into 2 parts. How many syllables did you hear? Sunny. 2. Sunny. Split it into syllables. So this, sun, is our base word. And then that would make this our suffix. Sunny. You might not know the word sunny, but if you break it into its syllables, you can figure out the word sun. Or if you're trying to write the word sunny, you might not know how to spell sunny, but you know how to spell sunny. So you can figure out S-U-N would start your word, N-Y would end your word. Let's do another example. Let's see if you can clap out the syllables for this word. Handful. Handful. Let's clap it out. Handful. Handful. How many syllables are in this word? 2. That's right. You're getting a hang of it. There's 2 syllables, 2 parts. I can hear them. Handful. 2 claps means 2 parts. So let's split this up between its 2 parts. Hand. Full. So which one of these do you think is the base word? Hand. Now this ending, this syllable is not the base word, so we know it's a prefix or a suffix. Prefixes are at the beginning, suffixes are at the end. Is this syllable at the beginning or at the end? It's at the end, so this is called the suffix. Handful. And if we smushed those parts back together, handful, it would just turn back into the word handful. Let's do one more example together. Let's do the word, broken. 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 How many syllables is this word? 2. Let's split it up. Broke in. So we've got 2 parts, broke in. So if I've got the base word, would be like this, broke with an E. Then our suffix at the ending. Broken has 2 syllables, broken. All right, guys, thanks for joining with me today. I'll see you soon.